Hello, and welcome to Health Action. I'm a gastroenterologist with training from Harvard and Stanford, and I've scoped thousands of stomachs. Based on what I've seen, I can tell you that one of the most powerful and overlooked superfoods isn't a pill or a powder. It's seeds. In this video, I'm revealing the 7 seeds I eat every single week for better digestion, less bloating, and a stronger gut-brain connection. Some of them might surprise you. One helps you go to the bathroom better than any fiber supplement. Another can quickly curb sugar cravings. And the last is a true underdog studied for its potential to prevent colon cancer. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to use each one and why your gut will thank you. As a gastroenterologist with training from Harvard and Stanford, I've seen firsthand how our diets affect our gut health. After scoping thousands of stomachs, I can tell you that one of the most overlooked superfoods isn't a pill or a powder. It's seeds. In this video, I'm revealing the 7 seeds I eat every single week for better digestion, less bloating, and a stronger gut-brain connection. Some of these might surprise you. One helps you go to the bathroom better than any fiber supplement. Another can quickly curb sugar cravings. And the last one is a real underdog, studied for its potential to prevent colon cancer, yet almost no one eats it. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to use each one and why your gut will thank you. Chia seeds, the ultimate gut gel. If I had to pick just one seed for gut health, it would be chia seeds. Why? They are a unique nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with soluble fiber, which is the key to their gut healing magic. When chia seeds are soaked in liquid, they form a thick, gelatinous coating. This isn't just a cool kitchen trick. This gel has a profound impact on your digestive system. First, this gel acts like a sponge, slowing down how quickly sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. This means you can avoid those jarring blood sugar spikes and crashes, which helps with everything from energy levels to mood swings. Second, this very same gel is a potent prebiotic. It travels undigested to your large intestine, where it becomes the primary food source for your good gut bacteria or your gut microbiome. By feeding these beneficial microbes, you're helping them thrive, which is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and a strong immune system. Finally, the most noticeable benefit for many people is that chia seeds help you stay incredibly regular. That soluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it softer and easier to pass. This makes chia seeds a genuine game changer for anyone dealing with constipation. They can be more effective and gentler than many fiber supplements on the market. The key is to soak them. This is the most important step. Don't eat them dry. They need liquid to activate their gelling properties and become digestible. Soak them for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or even better, overnight. I love mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons into almond milk or yogurt and adding a few berries. This makes for an amazing gut-friendly breakfast or a satisfying snack that keeps you full for longer. Another great option is to add them to your smoothie. Just blend them in, and you'll get the same benefits without the gel texture. Flax seeds, the hormone helper. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse, rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. But there's a crucial catch. Your body can't properly absorb the nutrients from whole flax seeds. The tough outer shell is too strong for our digestive system. That's why you must grind them before you eat them. Ground flax seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. They can help with bloating, promote hormone balance, and even assist with cholesterol management. The key is consistency. I recommend adding a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your smoothie or oatmeal 3 to 4 times a week. They also contain special compounds called lignans, which are being studied for their potential to help prevent certain types of cancer. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium bomb. Most people are deficient in magnesium, And pumpkin seeds are a delicious way to address that. Magnesium is a critical mineral that helps you go to the bathroom, improves sleep quality, and calms your nervous system. Beyond magnesium, pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of zinc and plant-based protein. I like to eat them lightly roasted with a little sea salt for a simple, healthy snack. You can also toss them into a salad for a satisfying, nutty crunch. Basil seeds, the bloating blocker. Also known as subja seeds, basil seeds look a lot like chia seeds but are even cooler. They have a more rapid expansion rate and become a gel almost instantly when they hit liquid. Like chia seeds, they are packed with soluble fiber, which is key to their digestive benefits. In Ayurvedic medicine, they've been used for centuries to soothe the digestive tract and reduce bloating. Their high fiber content helps slow down digestion, promoting a feeling of fullness and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent tool for managing cravings. I love to add them to my oatmeal, almond milk, or almond yogurt, often alongside chia seeds, for a powerful 2-in-1 dose of fiber that keeps my gut happy and my appetite in check. Sunflower seeds, the gut lining repairer. Sunflower seeds are a fantastic source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting and repairing your gut lining. Think of it as a natural shield for your digestive system, helping it recover from daily stressors and inflammation. Chronic stress and inflammation are major culprits behind a leaky gut, a condition where the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing toxins to pass into the bloodstream. The vitamin E in sunflower seeds helps maintain the integrity of this barrier. It neutralizes free radicals that can damage gut cells, aiding your body's natural healing and repair processes. If you're dealing with stress or gut inflammation, a handful of these seeds can be a great way to support your body's natural healing process. I enjoy them lightly roasted with a pinch of sea salt for a simple, satisfying snack. You can also sprinkle them on salads, add them to stir-fries, or mix them into a trail mix. As a bonus, the antioxidants that benefit your gut also work wonders for your skin health, giving you a healthy glow from the inside out. Sesame seeds, the calcium champion, used for thousands of years. These seeds are loaded with essential minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and a good amount of fiber. My favorite way to consume them is as tahini, a delicious sesame paste that makes a great dip for whole grain pita chips or a wonderful addition to dressings. Beyond their mineral content, sesame seeds also support bile flow, which is crucial for the efficient digestion of fats. By helping your body break down fats more effectively, pomegranate seeds, the antioxidant underdog. Yes, I'm counting these because they are a truly underestimated gut hero. Pomegranate seeds are not only an antioxidant powerhouse, but they also act as a prebiotic, feeding your good gut bacteria and reducing oxidative stress in the gut lining. These tiny seeds work to support your entire digestive ecosystem. I love to eat them raw or sprinkle them on salads for a burst of flavor and a dose of gut-loving benefits. They have even been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects in the colon, making them a powerful and delicious addition to your diet. These tiny seeds work to support your entire digestive ecosystem. I love to eat them raw or sprinkle them on salads for a burst of flavor and a dose of gut-loving benefits. They have even been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects in the colon, making them a powerful and delicious addition to your diet. A quick recap and final advice. So, there you have it, 7 powerful seeds to transform your gut health. Here's a quick recap of their primary benefits. Chia seeds, the ultimate gut gel for digestion and satiety. Flax seeds, the hormone helper, packed with fiber and anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Pumpkin seeds, a magnesium bomb for better sleep, mood, and regularity. Basil seeds, your go-to for blocking bloating and controlling blood sugar. Sunflower seeds, a vitamin E powerhouse for repairing your gut lining. Sesame seeds, the calcium champion that also aids in fat digestion. Pomegranate seeds, the antioxidant underdog, a powerful prebiotic for your gut. Remember, your gut responds best to whole, natural foods, not supplements. Since 90% of your body's serotonin is made in your gut, your digestive health is directly tied to your mood. Here's my challenge for you. Pick just 2 of these seeds and try incorporating them into your diet this week. Which ones will you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, I don't use seed supplements. I believe your gut responds better to food in its natural form. And since 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, if your digestion is off, your mood is likely off too. Here's my challenge for you. Pick 2 of these seeds and try them this week. Let me know in the comments which ones you're going to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed, no-fluff gut health tips that actually work. Your gut is not just about poop. It's your second brain.